In this video, we're going to install Express. So let's do that. Let's do CLS. I'll clear the screen. npm, and I wanted to do an init. And this will basically initialize your project. Okay. So this is our package name, which is WebResource. We'll hit enter. Version, let's just leave the default. Description, create a web resource /service. Entry point, this is the main page, which is index.js. Test commands, we don't run test yet. That's beyond this class. Git repository, we're not doing anything with Git. Keywords, I'll say here midterm status. Author, put your name here. I'll put my name there. License, not applicable for us. Is everything okay? I'm hitting the letter Y, hit enter, and that's it. Now, what this is going to do, I'll clear the screen and do a dir. If you're a Linux machine, it's an ls. It created this package.json. And this is just metadata. And it'll be data that we'll need later on. And I'll explain that. Let me see here. I want to open a folder. I want to open a file. And just to show you what's happening here. So this is just metadata. And again, I'll explain it to you as we install software. So in fact, let's keep this up. And if you remember in the last time we ran this, this is missing Express. So I should actually say here, we're going to set up Express to get this part to work. Okay, and so the next step now is let us install Express. I'm going to type in npm install Express. Make sure you spell that correctly. And it looks like it installed. And this file should have got updated. I think if I click on it, it'll show you some sort of update. And there it goes right here. This wasn't here before. So what this is telling us is that our project depends on Express, which it does. And this is the version of Express that's there. So let's actually see if we can run the app this time. npm install, and not npm install, I'm sorry, node, and we're going to run install dot, index.js. Notice now the server's up and running. Okay, let me bring up Postman to see if we can get this working. Let's bring up Postman and test to see if this is working. Okay, so in this case, the port is 9416, indicated by this port number right here. And I don't have a URL defined yet, so we're just going to leave it like this. Click on send. And this is basically telling you, let me see what this is telling you. Okay, can I do a get? Because we don't have any gets. We haven't really defined anything for it to go to. Okay, and let's just double check. I'm going to break this server by focusing on this section. Do Control-C. Well, I'll just terminate it here. I kill the terminal. And if I run this again, I should get a different error. Notice that it couldn't even get there. So the server is down because I killed the terminal. And so it's not there. So we have set up our server successfully as of right now. The next step now is to create a get verb for author. That's the next goal, and then of course one for midterm.